हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको शॉर्ट आंसर बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, राइट ए नोट ऑन द पिक्टोरियल ब्यूटी ऑफ द पोएम यूलिसेस। आंसर, दिस पोएम इज आल्सो रिमार्केबल फॉर इट्स picturesqueness, which is a hallmark of his poetry in general. This poem contains some very beautiful pen pictures which Tennyson alone could have given. Mark, for instance, far on the ringing plains of windy Troy. The scene danced before our mental eyes with all its vividness and gusto. A leisure artist might have failed to produce the same effect in even a dozen lines, but Tennyson succeeded in one stroke only. The lines, "The long day bends, the slow moon climbs, the deep moons round with many voices," may be noted for their picture's quick beauty. Question second, discuss Ulysses as a contrast to the lotus eaters. Answer, Ulysses presents a fine contrast to the lotus eaters. In this poem, Tennyson advocates the philosophy of action and determination. Ulysses is quite enthusiastic and is ready to explore newer lands and acquire more knowledge. He boldly declares, "Old age hath yet his honor and his toil. Death classes all but something ere the end. Some works of noble note may yet be done, not unbecoming man that strives with gods." But in the lotus eaters, the philosophy presented is that of pessimism and inertia. The sailors are full of despondency. They want to rest forever. How sweet it were having the downward stream, with half shut eyes ever to seem falling asleep in a half dream. Question third, write a note on the element of sadness in Brig Brig Brig. Answer, the song has a heart-touching elegiac spirit and tone. The melody or the poem is sweet and elegiac. The atmosphere of the poem resembles that of a lonely healthy on the seashore. The phrase "cold grey stone" is suggestive of the fact that the shore is replete with many stones lying undisturbed for ages. They have not been trodden by human feet. This lonely atmosphere well suits the spirit of the elegiac song. There is a halting melody in the lines, "Brig, brig, brig at the foot of the crag, O sea." Question fourth, write a note on the features of Victorian age. Answer, there were three important features of the Victorian age. There was the development of scientific spirit. There was also development of democratic ideals. In this age, there was also industrial progress, but on the other hand, people had started to give up their religious faith. About the progress of women, the Victorian people were very narrow-minded and they did not allow the women to work in the society. Question, what are the limitations of Tennyson as a poet? Answer, through Tennyson is regarded as one of the greatest poets in English poetry. He shows certain limitations in his poetry. He is perfectly a representative poet of Victorian age. His characterization is very weak and many of his characters are mere shadow. His psychology is not very sharp, and he is old-fashioned in his poetry. He fails to present the common ideals of the world. He also fails in the presentation of subjective poetry. In spite of these limitations, Tennyson is reputed as one of the greatest poets in English poetry. Question 6. Write a short note on the artistic qualities of Tennyson's poetry. Answer. Tennyson's chief merit as a poet is his supreme art. The first feature of Tennyson as an artist is his simplicity. Clearness of thoughts and expression is another quality of his art. He is a great master of decorated style, and no surpass him in the magic of language. In the field of music, his poetry is highly rich. His poetic diction is always as perfect as the diction of William Wordsworth. Objective type question. Tennyson was born in answer 1809. Second, Tennyson became poet laureate in answer 1850. Question. Which of the following poems is by Tennyson? Answer. Brick, Brick, Brick. Question. Tennyson was a poet of answer Victorian age. Question. Tennyson's morte, the author, is written in answer free verse. Question. Who said this? The old order change, yielding place to new. Answer. Tennyson. Question. Tennyson's chief place as a poet is his answer. All of these. Supreme art, narration, presentation and simplicity. All of these. इसलिए ये all of these सही है. Question. Tennyson believed nature to be a vision of mind. Answer. Poetic. Question. Brick, Brick, Brick is a poem set in the background of answer nature. Question. Ulysses is a poem aims at presenting the characters of answer man of action. Selected literary criticism on Tennyson as a poet. First, Tennyson's philosophy. Heading है If his philosophy of life is not a great and inspiring one, yet it has place in the scheme of things. And B may supplement its message by the more tonic teaching of Browning and Meredith. While of Tennyson's work as a literary artist and as a painter of English life, no lover of beautiful verse could speak too highly. Second, his qualities. Heading है Tennyson is a great poet for reasons that are perfectly clear. He has three qualities which are seldom found together except in the greatest poet: abundance, variety and complete competence. Third, heading Tennyson's place as a poet. Answer. For nearly half a century, Tennyson was not only a man and a poet, he was a voice, the voice of a whole people expressing in exquisite melody their doubts and their faith, their grief and their triumphs. In the wonderful variety of his verse, he suggests all the qualities of England's greatest poet. Thanks, best of luck.